Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how your iPhone can turn into a sound machine. Go to Settings, click Accessibility, click Audio Visual, click Background Sounds. Going to turn it on. Those are the different sounds that your iPhone can use for using it as a sound machine. Once you have turned it on in your settings, you can easily access it by swiping down and locating the icon that is here. And then to shut it off, you can click that button, and then at the bottom, you can turn background sounds on and off through this blue button. And that is how you turn your iPhone into a sound machine without using an app.